Hey guys, Joseph here. We're back again with another dash cam installation, this time for the 2023 Subaru WRX. This customer was very excited to get a top-tier system and was eager to get the brand new BlackVue DR970X-2CH Plus system. You can check out our BlackVue DR970X Plus in-depth review and the sample footage if you want to see how it has improved in terms of video quality. Today we're going to be doing a standard hardwire installation, making sure to cover any unique aspects for this WRX and other Subaru vehicles, while making sure it's a clean and seamless professional installation. Considering how cool this ride is, it truly deserves the BlackVue level of protection. Before we proceed to the dashcam installation process, let me tell you a little bit about the BlackVue DR970X Plus first. This is an upgraded version of the DR970 4K dashcam. So if you're wondering what the biggest difference is, it's the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. The 7-element lens basically allows it to capture clearer and more stable footage, especially valuable for capturing license plates at high-speed situations, plus it looks really nice while it's doing it. Now, while we opted for a more advanced hardwiring option, keep in mind that you can always use the included cigarette lighter adapter for a simple plug-and-play connection with BlackVue. To make this process easier and more convenient, we offer the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit, which includes all the tools you'll need if you're installing a dashcam for the very first time. Every bundle includes a BlackboxMyCar circuit tester, a trim removal tool, and our special BlackboxMyCar decals. If you wish to get one for your install, check out the link for the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit in the description link below. Now let's get started. When you're hardwiring, the first step is to locate your car's fuse box. For this 2023 Subaru WRX, the fuse panel is located at the lower left side under the steering wheel, right at the driver's footwell. To access this, carefully remove the WRX's plastic panel cover. Here, you're gonna need the BlackVue hardwiring kit, which is included in the BlackVue DR970X Plus package. While we'll cover the differences of this unique install, please check out our recent in-depth tutorial on the hardwiring process for detailed information on how to wire it yourself. Using a circuit tester like the one that comes with the install package, test out different fuses to determine which would be ideal for each connection type. Look for the ACC and constant fuse. You can easily differentiate these fuse types. If it lights up when pressed with the circuit tester, even when your car ignition is turned off, it's a constant. If it doesn't light up, then it's ACC. The fuse type that you choose is dependent on the car, from ATO, Micro 2, Low Profile, and Mini. For this install, low profile fuses were used, as most Subarus use either low profile or mini fuses. After wiring to the fuse box, the next step is to mount the front cam. One of the most frequently raised concerns when installing a dash cam in a Subaru is how the dash cams interact with the Eyesight camera sensors. Subaru Eyesight systems usually have 3 cameras, with one built into the stem of the rearview mirror, while the other 2 sit on the passenger and driver side, up at the top of your windshield. In a typical Subaru, avoiding the line of sight of these Eyesight systems on either side is important. And the good news is the BlackVue DR970X Plus makes a perfect option for this, thanks to its tubular and discreet form factor that's easy to hide behind the rearview mirror, tucked in between the view of both cameras. This is less of a factor for this WRX though, as it only has one Eyesight camera built into the rearview mirror stem in the center, which won't interfere with a dash cam. Another tip for the front cam: before putting a dash cam into any car, you should check how far the wipers goes, because if you mount it over the wipers reach, it will not provide a clear view. Also, clean the windshield first. You don't want your footage to be blurry with dust, or the mount not adhering properly. Use a microfiber towel and Windex on the inside of the windshield. Remove any marks or smears that may impact your footage's video quality on the outside too. After cleaning, carefully remove the adhesive covers and mount it in your best angled position. Since the DR970X Plus doesn't have a screen, we recommend directly checking the position of the dashcam through its live view feature in the mobile app. Once you find the most suitable angle, it's time to proceed with the wiring. Run your power cable from the fuse box up to the front dash cam. You'll need to route it up to and through the A-pillar, across the headliner, and to the dash cam. We routed the power cable through the headliner and across the driver's side A-pillar. It should be straightforward to remove the A-pillar from the vehicle, as it can normally be popped off with a pry tool and a bit of force. Do keep an eye out for the airbag underneath, either wiring around them or beneath them, never in front. After that, plug in the camera to the front cam and see if it's working. Next, we move on to the rear camera. To those of you who are asking about rear camera compatibility, the rear cam itself is the same as the DR970X and DR770X models, so fully backwards compatible. We typically mount the rear cam on the windshield along the edges, with the top center being our preferred mounting location. Also included in the Plus package, you will need your rear connecting cable. Plug the rear connecting cable into the front unit, run the cable along the headliner and straight across the length of the car past the A, B, and C pillars. To get past the B and C pillars, you can wedge in your pry tool along the trim and easily slide the cable in, repeating this all along the way to the rear of the camera itself. This should not be installed with the rear defroster lines blocking its view, or with the mount on said defroster lines. If you want to recheck the angles, we recommend using the in-app live view of the camera to make sure the rear view is as clear as can be. Now, if you have any extra slack or excess cabling in your rear cable, now's the time to bundle it up and stash it in the rear roof of the car, storing it up between the frame and the headliner. Of course, after the mounting and wiring, we want to test the BlackVue to make sure it's working properly. Turn on the car and check if the dashcam turns on automatically, as well as noting if it goes into parking mode when the car is off, which will need to be enabled in the settings of the app. If it doesn't turn on, check the power connections. Lastly, make sure everything is nicely put back and tucked away, closing up the side panels to the Fusebox and rear panels. And that's how you hardwire a BlackVue DR970X Plus 2-channel into a 2023 Subaru WRX. If you think the Plus will help you capture cinematic footage on your trips, or if the BlackVue Cloud and parking modes are useful for 24/7 monitoring, let us know. Beyond the 2-channel version, the Plus is also available in 1-channel, IR, built-in LTE, and box versions. That's right, there's a new BlackVue DR970X Plus box now, front and rear and front and IR. If you want to learn more, we'll include all the products we mentioned in the description below. And if you need help from our professional installers, our team at BlackboxMyCar is happy to help. If you're in the Richmond area, give us a call to schedule an appointment. Mention this YouTube video and we're going to give you 25% off your next installation with the purchase of a battery pack. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and news on BlackboxMyCar. Thanks for watching.